Okay, hey there. So this is for my week 10 project. Um, so right here, we're going to go ahead and look at the website I did is for reading list. And here we'll see everything that's been hooked up, that's been referenced to Bootstrap, and I've got the scripts down here as well. That's linking it to the JavaScript. And here's to jQuery, and again, Bootstrap again. Um, and on the HTML page, we have the body setup, class container, where we set up the background color. And I always like to mess with the opacity just to change the shades. We've got a heading called my reading list. We've got a card for the form, so that way it's separate, and we'll see that in a second. And the first bit of code creates the start date that you can input. The next bit of code creates the due date that's inputted, and then a new row is created that's going to have the other input that's typed in, where it's going to be the title, the author, the genre, and the page count. And then at the very bottom, we have a button that is created with the idea of add book that'll create each of the rows. And this right here creates the table that all of the new rows are going to be added to, where we have all those things, the title, author, genre, page count, etc. And we have like the class and the style right there. And then if we go over to JavaScript, got an ID set to 0. We call on that button and we add a function to it. This establishes the table. I have all the notes here, but establishes the table, the reading list table as the table, row as insert row. And this basically sets it up so that each cell is the value of whatever is being typed into the form. And down here then creates the complete button, because it's supposed to be like you click it whenever you've completed a book. And then it also will reset the value of each of the say empty spaces in the form of the cells in the form. And then down here creates the complete button that's going to be in the cell 6 of each row. And it deletes the row that it's with. So go ahead and actually look at the website. I went ahead and preloaded some already. And so I'll show you what it's like to add one. So let's see, we'll do 4/11 as the start date. Because the idea of this is that it's like, there's the days that you're going to start reading and the days that it's supposed to be done. Okay, say it's supposed to be 18. Now we're going to say it's Royal Assassin, Bob, Fantasy. I'm going to say it's 667. Okay, so we've created that. You see that went down here. And actually I want to do this example because Assassin's Apprentice is the first in the trilogy of this, like legit, actual trilogy. So then what you can do is, I am done with Assassin's Apprentice and now I'm on to Royal Assassin. I will just complete and it goes away. So yeah, so that is the website. Thanks for stopping by.